Hello my gems, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this cute style, which are just 2 space buns and pieces on the side to create a little extra flair. So stay tuned to watch the whole process. This style literally took no time to create, and I actually started the process off by wetting the hair and then sectioning it off, creating a straight part down the middle of my head to begin the process of creating the space buns. I'm also preparing the side pieces as well by taking them separate from the bun, then being able to wet it, do a quick detangle, and then twisting it up. Next up, I'm spritzing it and then applying the Wet Line Extreme Gel to be able to create the Space Age buns. So just applying it all around the perimeter here, then brushing it up to make sure it's nice and smooth and sleek. And you guys can actually find this wet line gel at Target or Walmart, Amazon as well. It's actually really cheap. You get a lot of bang for your buck here. I believe I paid like $3 just for that jar. Now I'm taking this section and just twisting it off so that way I can be able to create the definition for the bun, and then just wrapping around like so, sealing it with another elastic band so that way the bun can actually stay intact. Well, I thought it was going to stay intact, but it's just doing its own thing, so I have to loop it one more time. And still, it's not okay. We doing that? Oh, that's okay, cool. So let's start that over. So I'm literally just starting over because I want it to look right. So just taking the bun, rewrapping it. Now I know, okay girl, you need to wrap it a different way, and then put the elastic band on a little tighter on the initial attempt so that way it can really just kind of lock in. Okay, so this time it worked. At first you don't succeed. This yourself up a J, it can. So I'm just smoothing all around the perimeter, making sure that it's nice and sleek before I move over to the second bun. Now I'll just be repeating all the sections on this side of the hair. So the same steps in the process where I'm going to twist this little section off, and then I'm going to do the bun portion of it as well. So afterwards I realized I should have added a little bit more hair on the last section so it can be a little thicker like the other side. But it does start to fluff out more once it gets a little bit more dry. But just a heads up for you guys, make sure those pieces are symmetrical. Now it's time to lay those edges down. Y'all know I love me a good old swoop. So doing my trusty edge laying process, just swooping it up there, using the brush to smooth it out, and then using the pointed like rat tail comb to be able to complete that defined swoop. Now I'm just smoothing out the side pieces again, making sure that they are nice and tight because I want them to have a defined look. Smoothing out the perimeter of my hair, checking it out, see if there's anything else I want to do. And I know that these side pieces are not staying down like I want to. However, I got a trick for them. So I'm going to take my scarf, wrap it around, kind of a little bit on the edges as well as a little bit on the side pieces, so that way they can kind of flatten out and not poke out the side of my head. So you want to keep the scarf on for maybe 10-15 minutes just so we can actually lay down those edges and lay down the side pieces, and remove it slowly, and boom. Ow. Now I'm going to accessorize by adding the gold clips onto the side pieces, and you can space these out however you choose. I put one at the top to make sure it continues to weigh down those side pieces. Although they are very light, they don't feel heavy on your head at all. So I just kind of spaced them out there. I want to give a little bit of extra pizzazz, so putting it asymmetrical on both sides. At this point, this is when I realized, like, dang, this side is definitely thinner. The little side piece that could, but that's okay. It's still cute, and you learn from my mistake. And there you have it. You have the Space Age buns as the final look with the gold side pieces, which I really like. This is a cute festival look, summery look, just really flirty and easy to achieve. And I like the effort is minimal, but the outcome looks maximum. So if you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, please make sure to hit that notification button so you can know when new posts become available. Other than that, talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye, my gems.